il y a ouvert le centre à Kisanso, dans la commune de Kisanso à Kinshasa. Et c'était juste après 3 mois que les étudiants ont eu à parler correctement l'anglais. Et parmi eux, on a retenu 2 assistants. Et c'est comme ça qu'on a commencé notre aventure. Et c'est l'année, toujours l'année passée, à la fin de l'année, qu'on a ouvert une autre extension à des bonhommes. Donc, ceux qui connaissent bien Kinshasa, on a entré Matrevet, des bonhommes 3e ouvert à l'école Mazel. C'est là où on a ouvert notre 2e extension. Et je me suis dit pourquoi ne pas aller hors de Kinshasa. La dernière fois que j'ai fait un tour ici à Matadi, j'ai remarqué qu'il n'y a pas de son d'anglais à Matadi. Alors qu'il y a des gens qui ont besoin de parler l'anglais. Il y a des gens qui ont des projets, il y a des gens qui ont des projets de voyager. Ils veulent gagner des contrats de travail. Ils ne parlent pas anglais. J'ai entendu qu'il y a un centre vers 24 novembre, mais Matadi est très grand. Ce centre-là ne peut pas enseigner tout le monde. C'est pourquoi je me suis dit je vais ouvrir un nouveau centre ici à Matadi qui avait un centre d'anglais. En Chine où j'allais, j'enseignais aussi les petits chinois et tout, vu que je peux aussi parler chinois. Donc c'était vraiment facile pour eux de me comprendre. Donc les enfants m'aimaient tellement qu'ils me disaient que si vous finissez vos études, tu ne vas pas rentrer chez vous et tu vas rester ici. Moi-même, je vais payer ton visa et tu vas rester ici pour enseigner. Bon, malheureusement, le corona, ça fait que je rentre au pays pour l'instant.
My name is Bomamoto Gustave. I'm married with 6 children, 2 daughters and 4 sons.
My full name is Katiokombe Izaveri. I'm a policewoman. I work at Matadi Harbor. I am married. I'm a mother of 5 children.
It's a privilege to be with you to share this wonderful time together. My name is Bruce. I'm a student at Law School for International Law.
My name is Fontaine Kisimakita Stefan. I live on Vodacom Street, number 7090, Kikanda, Ville Haute, Matadi Township. I'm gonna tell you today about English in DRC. Today, English is spoken in 1/3 of the population of the way.
But if you have a good education, it can help you in many things. The advantage of when you have a good education, it is very important for you. It is very good for you.
The ship agent helps captain for some requirements. For example, fresh water for the ship, buying some local foods, and so on.
The way to heaven. Show your children the way of God. You must show your children how to pray, which is the most effective way. I think that's all about my little topic.
My question is, what is the use of shipping agency in DRC?
What?
The role of shipping agency
Okay.
in DRC.
Shipping agents is the representative of owners. It seems that abroad we have some owners who have ships, but in DRC the shipping agent is the representative of the owner who is abroad, and the shipping agent is there to follow all the charging operations when the ship berths. He is in contact with the owner, with the captain, with the crew, and so on.
The term, like for me, I can say, Mama can teach me, my father can teach me, and apart from house, where can I have another education?
Apart from house, you can have education at church, at school also.
Okay, thank you.
According to you, if it comes about choosing, what kind of education are you going to choose?
If I have the possibility to choose, Me, I will choose a good education
Why?
because it is good.
Thank you.
My question is, okay, what are the characteristics, okay, of someone who has a good education, and what are the characteristics of someone who has a bad education?
Did you choose to have a compatible inheritance?
I chose to talk about inheritance because today many people think that the good inheritance is mine. But by observing that, I have understood that money is not a good inheritance. And I want to help my friends, I want to help my parents to understand that money is not a good inheritance, but it is the way of God.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Beginning,
Yeah.
you say that people are raise yourself.
Yes.
But so far,
Yeah.
you don't know how are you married, how many children you have, and so on.
Yes, understand, but because of the time. Okay. Shortly, I can tell. My name is Bomamutu Gustave. I'm married with 6 children, 2 daughters and 4 sons.
Une, deux, trois. Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, papa. Joyeux anniversaire. Ok, en sortant, s'il vous plaît, prenez le gâteau, s'il vous plaît.